The car is packed up with the yaks because we are going down the Flint River. Let's do this. So we've made it here, and looks like we beat our friends here by a good margin. Pretty place. You know, the water's pretty deep. Just recently rained. I'll probably cast in there and catch me a bluegill or two. Let's try that. Some stillness. Let's check this out here. This is an excellent way to wait for your friends. There we go. Fish on. It's gonna be the first one of the day if I can land him. Little bluegill. Pretty nice size. I'm not complaining. A dinner-sized fella. All right, here he is for the folks at home. See ya. All right, fish on. It's number 2. Little bass. There he is. Here he is for the folks at home. Pretty Flint River largemouth. Hey, doggo. Hi, how's it going? Is it nice to meet you? Wow, that is a whole snake. Do you see him in the water? Oh yeah, that's he's coming towards me. Let's back that up. That's enough for now. Our friends have made it here.
Are you tall? Can you grab that?
Oh yeah. Which way are we getting?
This way.
Okay. Oh, there we are. Look at you.
Hey, buddy.
Oh, hey.
What up?
Woo!
Let's go to the river.
Whoa! Is it cold?
Okay, yes.
Look at the snake, look at him. Oh my God, it is a snake. He is a cutie. As long as he stays right over there, I'm fine with him. Fish. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna toss him into Nikki's kayak. Now it's just me and him. His name is Chubbs. You can see him going crazy. You and me, Chubbs, let's go. Give you a little more room, huh? There you go, Chubbs. That's the spirit. Can you see him? Get him, buddy. All right, come here, Chubbs.
Why are you dragging the fish and talking to it?
Because I'm weird. Oh no, Chubbs, we're off course. Chubbs, hang on. I'll have to let you go, Chubbs. Here he is for our friends. See, this is why I'd be scared to be on a paddleboard, Jamie. Because you got the trees, the low hanging. What do? You just die? I don't know if I have the kind of ability that you have. Yeah, balance is that's not a stat I put points into.
Tyler can't balance himself. I don't know that I could counteract his balance.
What the heck did I catch? Oh wow, girlfriend, this is the biggest one today.
Holy shit.
I caught a rock.
Very good. Yeah, that is a rock.
How did I catch a rock? I caught first rock, new species. I don't know. It's new. This is new. This is new territory. All right, it broke off. Oh gosh. But for now, let's just live. Because I don't feel like getting another hook out. There we are. Fish on. All right. Little bluegill, yet again. Fish on. Is this big? Can't tell. Oh God, it's a catfish. Oh man. Oh man. I wasn't expecting this. Let's get you off of here. Another catfish on a gulp minnow. Here he is for the friends at home. I don't know if you can see him correctly. There he is. Get off. There we go. Got him. Catfish slime is my favorite thing. Catch another. Hopefully not a catfish this time. Oh, jeez.
Not anything?
Oh yeah, a couple things. I was fishing, but I lost like 4 or 5 hooks. And I just got tired of tying new things on. So I'm just sitting here. I can hear some rapids coming up. Can you guys hear that? Or is that just me? All right, how are we taking this? Dead on. Uh-oh. Whoa. Watch that. Oh, God. Oh, no. No. I lost my fishing pliers. And my Gatorade. No. That rock was so hard to see. Oh, geez. Oh, God. Come here, Gatorade. It's me and you against the world now. The only thing I can save.
Ice bug.
Oh, God. Hey, Zashu. How's it going? You okay? I'll hold your hand. It's okay. You have attack eyebrows. You know that? I was telling him he had attack eyebrows. I love what his stylist has done. Dang it. Ah. That's like number 6. Hey, Brandon, Jamie, can we get that house right there?
Yeah, let's get that.
Get a little darker. Get a little colder. Brandon said we want to take the left pass. So that's what we're doing. Hopefully he's right and we don't die. Woo! Look at that, so beautiful. Whoa, geez. Watch that.
Are you kidding me?
What?
You ate all the whole chips and left this debris.
Who are you? Almost there. Zashu, you are incredible. You've made it the whole way.
Pull me up. My handle, sir. I wish to be retrieved.
We'll figure it out. What do you want to do? Break your chain right after?
McDonald's gift card?
You know, watch there be like $200 on it.
Oh my God.
Wouldn't that be nice? Last time we walked up that direction. Of course, we're not going to do that anymore. But it was for a fun time. Beautiful out there. Like, I'm getting so... I have tripped and almost fallen off of this thing 3 times now.
This thing's like knee height.
It is knee height. I don't like that. No dumping. What's this, man? What's this?
So that will have more room right there.
Okay. Hey everybody, thanks for watching episode 32 of Fishing After 5. I'm currently heading over to my next fishing adventure. The camera died and I didn't get a chance to do a real outro, so here it is. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next fishing adventure. So stay weird, fellas, and I'll see you all next time after 5. Bye-bye.